New Year's Eve can create anxieties not only for dogs, but also their owners. Studies show at least 1 in 10 dogs suffers from noise aversion, which is similar to a panic attack in a human. A recently approved drug by the FDA is said to calm dogs, and that could be very helpful during loud, noisy situations. Our Myra Cordova has more details.
Most veterinarians will have a run on tranquilizers and sedatives the day before or the day of New Year's Eve.
For this reason, dogs paralyzed by the sound of fireworks. Dr. Alan Garrett at Everhart Animal Hospital says noise aversion is very common in dogs.
Hiding under the bed. If you try to put them in a room, they can start trying to dig out.
At times dangerous.
I had a dog a few years ago that jumped through a glass window to get at, just going nuts.
He says prescription medications make a difference.
It helps diminish these anxiety situations and makes for a more calm, restful dog.
Which is why he's excited. The FDA recently approving Pexion, giving dog owners more options. And Pexion is given to dogs twice daily, starting 2 days before a loud event and during the event itself.
If you wait until the thunder, the lightning, the fireworks go off, it's too late.
A study found 66% of owners who tested the pill gave good or excellent reviews. But if you're considering trying Pexion or other medications, Dr. Garrett encouraging caution.
Some dogs need more than others. Some need less.
He says most drugs have a wide range of dosages. You can easily overdose your pet.
Considered a standard dose, and it may knock that dog out 6, 10, 12 hours.
While some owners may take a natural route,
I think the reassuring hand of mom or dad petting him many times will be helpful, but not always.
Dr. Garrett says in severe cases,
I've had some people tell me that their dog almost becomes schizophrenic.
Medication is an option. Myra Cordova, Action 10 News.